while sa bahay tayo. But this time, we have a surprise. Very unusual to. Mag-unbox tayo. Do you know what this is? I'm sure most of you mga alam mo yung gantong lugar. But this is my very first time to have this kind of equipment. Because this is Tantantina. I'm so excited. Got our drone. So precious to. Compare sa Samsung Fernando the other day. Yesterday. Wala sa plano pero naisip ko na rin. Akala ko hindi pa ako magpa-plan to get one like this. But then, I realized ko if I want to develop more my vlogging, so I'd rather invest in this. Wait lang, may parcel. This is the DJI Flip. User-friendly naman siya kasi meron siyang control. And then yung video na monitor will be from your phone. You just have to download yung app nila. You have an app, DJI Fly. It's a process. Load na natin kasi check natin sa store. But then, ano sa atin? Tantantina. Mga QR code pa siya. Scan QR code before first use. So, ito na yung register sa app. So, may accessories. Extra na flip. So, may see. There it is. So, secure siya. So easy lang to open, slide down everything. Careful lang tayo kasi straight fragile siya. Parang. And then the other one. Yun. And nagkagandahan ito, may sensor na siya. Look. Napos ko na yan karoon. Ito yung sensor mo na sa harap. I-off muna natin. We need to charge this. Sensor. Ito yung sensor. But we need to charge this first. Para lobat na siya. I'm looking for the cord. Makita mo na sa inyo yung cord. Let's just see. Tantantinan. And then you will attach yung screen dito from the phone. Like this one. May holder dito. So, let's do this. Ito. Yung control panel. Pero dito na muna. Simulan natin. We need to charge this. Since it has a sensor pala, pag when you close this, mag-automatic na siya muna off.
Aircraft will power off in 5 seconds.
Ayan,
press
diba?
any button on aircraft to cancel.
Diba? So, nagmamatic na siya. Off. 3, 4, 5. Galing, no? So, we need to charge this. Muna pala. Ito. Yung button niya. Galing nung nung app kasi i-trace niya yung location mo here sa map. Tapos, magre-recommend siya ng place wherein mas madaling mag-fly ng drone. So it says here sa Pundol Street, which is somewhere there. Doon mas madaling, mas allowed mag fly ng drone. Nice. Yeah, now it's charging. So, hintayin lang natin siya na ma-fully charged. Saan natin siya ulit. For now, we can explore dito sa panel na. Meron siyang manual, quick start guide. Kailangan natin to kasi sobrang hindi ako take. So, I guess, kailangan natin siya pag-aralan. Tapos, may stickers, start guide. Better na pag-aralan natin to kaysa naman may mga mali tayo. Tapos yung SD card natin naka-install na. Kasi never use daw yung hindi recommended na SD cards. Kasi may kinuwento yung agent na the day before nung naka-purchase tayo, merong yung client bumili pa ng worth 80,000 cases kasi around 20 lang. Yung bumili 80,000 yung mas high-tech. And nagtipid siya sa SD card. Kasi itong SD card niya, itong 185, nasa 2.5 na. Bumili online, tapos in-insert. Nang pagka-insert, ayaw nang gumana ng sensor niya masyado or naka-steady na lang siya. So, hindi na problem daw ng manufacturer. So, hindi niya napapalitan. Yung lesson learned. Ayan na. Okay. It says here, meron na tayong application. So, open natin ang application. Since nag-charge pa siya, okay na muna yun. Dapat kinuha ko pala talaga yun. Ay, ito pala. Yung cover, nung pinaka-lens. Pwede mo din kasi magbalik yan, pero pwede mo lang hindi ikabit. Ito yung cord. Attaching. Ito muna tayo. So, mount the control sticks. Pull out the holder. And then take out the left connector, which has no mark, and connect it to your smartphone. Then mount the smartphone on the level. Yan. Adjustable naman to. So, yun lang. Kailangan yung phone mo, you have to remove yung casing. Pwedeng iPhone Max, pero you have to remove. May battery to, pero isa lang. Ang alam ko. So, slide lang natin. Tapos, puno natin doon sa panel. DJI. Connection guide. Before you fly, kailangan natin i-connect yung cord. Yung cord ay itong cord sa other end, which is extra cord lang yata ito kasi yung isang cord naka-insert na kasi parang isa kailangan dun sa other end, take out yung left and yun yung nakabit sa phone. Ay, yun yung connect sa phone. Siyempre nang dinidemo ko yesterday, medyo dito sa tayo, but slowly mamamaster din natin even how to fly it. There we go. Then insert it there. Tapos open yung app. Wala na. Select aircraft model. This is the flip. DJI flip. Connect via mobile device. Connect mobile device, of course. Mobile device. Ito yung flip. Allow to find devices on local. So hindi pa siya nakakonect kasi nag-charge pa tayo. Alright. So later na lang. Yan lang. Pero on natin dito. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Pag on down yan is 1 press and then 1 another press ng 3 seconds. Okay. searching for aircraft siya. Camera view muna tayo. Aircraft not connected. So, kailangan talaga siya i-connect. Ayan, ito yung ano. Ito yung pinaka... At least maganda namang gamitin yung ano. Madaling gamitin yung app Mixi. May album. Ayan yung album. Ito yung kuha kahapon. Yung... Ayan. Ang tinitest namin. It's the same unit. Diba? Beautiful. So, hintay lang natin ito, then we'll try it again later. Ciao! Yan na, malapit. Nag-full na siya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos pag nag-stop yan, yun yan. Full charge na siya. Yan, i-charge naman nito after. Fully charged na siya. Oh, turn it off.
Ayaw sa akin.
Okay. Good. Now, yun ang mag-control pa. So, another... Kanina parang 2 hours ago. Ito na yung camera cover. Ito yung sensor, yung gimbal sa loob. Yung propeller. Yung gimbal sa loob. Ito yung sa charger, SD card. Ito yung mode. Select na ito yung size. Ito yung power button. Yung sa baba. Panalo!
Wala na daw.
Mamaya. That's a burger and I have my Caesar salad. Thank you. Roasted chicken. Same as last time. Yung pepperoni. Gusto ko yung crust nila. Kamusta ang first day? Okay, good luck. Pagbutihin mo. Alright, see ya.